Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Litecoin from Robinhood to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Litecoin for better security, trading opportunities, or just to diversify your holdings, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident handling this transfer like a pro. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Coinbase Wallet and that you own some Litecoin on Robinhood. Also, double-check that you're aware of any potential fees or network confirmations involved. Crypto transfers aren't instant. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your portfolio and select the Litecoin you want to transfer. You'll see an option for Withdraw or Send to External Wallet. Click that to get started. Now, head over to your Coinbase wallet. Open the app, go to the Litecoin section, and tap on Receive. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Back in Robinhood, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, making sure it's less than your available balance. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're ready, hit Confirm and authorize the transfer. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your Coinbase wallet. It might take a few minutes to a few hours for the Litecoin to show up, depending on network congestion in 2025. Pro tip: always use the correct network, like Litecoin's own blockchain, to prevent any issues. If you run into problems, check both apps' support sections or transaction histories. And there you have it. That's how you successfully transfer Litecoin from Robinhood to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. This process not only helps you manage your assets better but also gives you more control over your crypto. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.